Hello everyone, this is Yuri
and Akira です。
and welcome to another episode of Akira-san Sushi at Home. Today we will show you how to transform pickled Kohada sashimi to a beautiful sushi form. Filleting techniques for 2 patterns of nigiri is featured. Enjoy! Today we will use Kohada we prepared from our last episode. We will start off by a simple Kohada nigiri with a slick form of design. Let's trim off one side of Kohada. Here, don't trim off in a straight line, but make sure to cut it diagonally, starting from the center. Now make 2 slits. Make sure not to cut through all the way. Then, make a narrow V-shaped cut on the bottom half of Kohada. Leave the top half as it is. Finally, pinch one side of Kohada and lay over another, like leg crossing. In this video, we won't go into details on how to make sushi by HONTEGAESHI style. But the most important point is to keep Kohada in the shape as we prepared earlier. This way, nigiri will look beautiful and refined. Now we will make Kohada nigiri with oboro, sweet shrimp flake. For this nigiri, cut Kohada fillet into 2 pieces by slicing off the blue area shown in the picture here. And trim off both ends of Kohada pieces. Lastly, make a slit in the middle. Don't cut through, as we will place oboro in between this gap. Oboro, this golden sweet shrimp flake, matches perfectly with acidic Kohada, so let's put this in the nigiri. Again, we won't go into details on steps of nigiri technique, but we'll show you the run-through. Oboro is to be put after placing wasabi. Depending on the size of Kohada, place 1 teaspoonful of oboro. After painting soy sauce, place oboro on top of sushi. Again, about 1 teaspoon will be fine. Lightly press oboro with your finger to let it sit. Indulge yourself into a light yet delicate, sweet but sour experience in your mouth.
Thank you and ありがとう。
See you in the next video!